Happy morning all of you. Welcome back in Shri Ganesh online education series. Dear students, we are learning chapter number 6, the oath of Swaraj. Today's date is 6th October 2020. Okay, so what is required for the doing study? Your mobile phone, your textbook and notebook. Okay, so if you are not taken your textbook, pause the video, take your textbook and come back again. Okay, so dear students, yesterday we have completed 2 points. Which were those points? Do you remember? See, the oath of Swaraj, and another one is preparations in the Mawar Valley. Okay, so now today we are going to learn about friends in the Mawar. What is the point? Friends in the Mawar. See, open your textbook. All over the 12 Mawars there were Deshmukhs guarding their individual watans, gifted land in lieu of service, to which they were more attached than anything else. See, all over 12 Mawars there were Deshmukhs. Who were there? Deshmukhs guarding their individual watans. What they were doing? They were guarding their individual watans. Okay, now watan, do you know watan means what? A piece of land which is got them from Sultan as a gift, means gifted land we can say. Okay, see, in bracket they have given gifted land in lieu of service. In lieu of service, lieu means exchange. See, here I have given word meaning. Lieu means exchange. In the, for their better service they got watan. Okay, to which they were more attached than anything else. And these Deshmukhs, they were more attached to these watans more than anything else. Means they were not thinking about other things, just they were thinking for their watans. There were constant quarrels between them, leading to useless waste of money and manpower. And what these Deshmukhs they were doing, watandas, we can say them watandas. What they were doing? They were just constantly fighting with each others. And what they were doing? They were trying to lead ahead. They were trying to lead. And what they were wasting? Money and time and manpower. Money, time and manpower. All these things they were wasting. Shivaji saw this waste and decided to put an end to it. Shivaji saw all these things, and what he did? He decided to put an end to it. He decided to put an end to it. He would visit the Deshmukh in the area. He would visit the Deshmukh in the area. So what he did? He visited to these Deshmukhs in his area, talked to them, and persuade them to desist from their folly and raise before them a very attractive picture of the Swaraj of his dream. Shivaji met them, and what he told? He persuade them. Persuade means, see, persuade means cause someone to do something through reasoning. Cause someone to do something through reasonings means he divert their mindsets. In simple words, what is meaning? He divert their mindset to do work. Which work? See, to desist. Desist means abstain, means stop. In simple word we can say to stop. Desist means abstain or to stop from their folly and rage. From their folly and rage means what they were doing? They were fighting, and someone falls, someone rage, means someone loses, someone wins. So he told them to stop all these things. Before them a very attractive picture, and what he did? He put a very attractive picture of Swaraj of his dream in front of these watandars. So what happened? See, he does own many of them over to his side, and because of this he over he owned many of them from his side. Many people came from his side. From whose side? Shivaji's side. He used force against those who were adamant, and few people were there, few Watandars were there, those they were not agree with Shivaji Maharaj. So Shivaji Maharaj force against those who were adamant. Adamant means, see, adamant means refusing to change one's mind. Refusing to change one's mind means those they were not listening, he changed their mindset. In this way, he stopped the mutual force. In this way, what he stopped? He stopped the mutual warfare. Sorry, not force, mutual warfare. He stopped all these things. Everybody was pleasured with this happy result, and everybody was pleasure means happy with this happy result, and all started singing the praises of Shivaji, and all started to sing praises of Shivaji Maharaj. See, some names are given here now. Junjarrao Maral, Haribhattarao Shilankar, Baji Palsalkar, Vithoji Shitole, Jethe, Paigode, Bandal were some of the Deshmukhs in the Mawad Valley who began to look upon Shivaji as their leader, and these people began to look after Shivaji as their leader. The dream of Swaraj was fast approaching to the day of fulfillment, and the dream of Swaraj was fast approaching. Approaching means to reach there, to get it. The day of fulfillment, like this. Do you understand what Shivaji Maharaj did? He diverted Watandas from his side. Those they were not ready, he fight with them, and then he brought them from his side. Okay, and now these Watandas, these Deshmukhs, they look Shivaji Maharaj as their leader. Okay, now what is the next point? Shivaji's royal seal. What is the point? Shivaji's royal seal. See, now what is mean by seal? See, here I have given seal means stamp. Have you seen stamp in your school also? When you are getting notice, at the below of that notice you are getting stamp of principal. When you are taking bona fide certificate from the school, at that time also you are getting school stamp there. Yeah, so that stamp means seal, means it is authorized. Okay, so seal means stamp. So Shivaji's royal seal. See, the Jagir was already being administered in the name of Shivaji. So Jagir was already being administered. Administered means admin. He was all rules, and he was a main person of that. In the name of Shivaji, see, it was administered in the name of Shivaji. What? That Jagir. Shahaji Raje had cast a special royal seal for Shivaji. See, Shahaji Raje had cast means prepare, a special royal seal for Shivaji. It read, see, I will read it. It is in Sanskrit language. See, Pratipanchandra लेखेव वर्धिष्णु विश्व वंदिता शाह सुनो शिवसैष्या मुद्रा भद्राय राजते. Okay, it's in Sanskrit language. Its meaning, you can see the picture also in your textbook. I am not going to show you because you are those they have not open textbook, they have to open textbook and then they have to see it. Yeah, so you will get it. The royal seal. It is in Sanskrit language. Okay, see. What is given its meaning? That meaning I will tell you. This seal will grow in the splendor like the new moon. This seal will grow in the splendor of like new moon. Means new moon. It increased day by day. Have you seen? Yeah. The seal of Shivaji, the moon of Shahaji. The seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji. receiving homage from the whole world denotes the welfare of people. Like this. This royal seal in a way foretold the foundation of Swaraj, and this royal seal is the foundation of Swaraj. In those days, most of the royal seal were carved in Persian. Persian means this one is a language. Shivaji's was in Sanskrit. Shivaji's was in Sanskrit, and this was a significant change. This was a significant change, that there could be no Swaraj without your own language. What he was thinking, there could be no Swaraj without your own language and your own religion But at the same time, this one is very important thing, but at the same time there should not be a hatred for other religions. Now hatred means, see, hatred means grudge or dislike. We can say grudge or dislike. Okay. The seal was guaranteed to all the Mavalas. The seal was guaranteed to all the Mavalas that Shivaji's government was for the welfare of the people. They were quick to grasp this point, and they were quick to grasp this point. Okay, like this. Like this, we have completed our chapter number 6, the Oath of Swaraj. Did you get it? If you have any difficulty, watch video again. 3 videos are there for this chapter: lecture number 1, lecture number 2, and lecture number 3. Okay. Read the chapter again and again. Okay, so you will get it, understand. Now tomorrow we are going to see question answers. Okay, so be ready for this. If you will complete all this study today itself, so tomorrow you will be prepared for the question answers and you can give me answers. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow we will meet again with the question answers. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.